Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? Hope you will be fine by the grace of Allah. Today we are sharing a very yummy recipe of beef pocket with you. To make the beef pocket we are taking 1 kg undercut beef. This is a large size of the piece of the beef. We have washed it and we have made the pocket from inside. We have removed all the meat from the inside of this piece of the beef. We have made the pocket in this way, and also we have marinated with the raw papaya for half to 1 hour. These are the small size beef pieces, and also salt to taste. 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of red chili flakes, and also 2 teaspoons of crushed black pepper. We are taking mozzarella cheese. It is according to your taste, and also the 1 large size of the tomato in the small pieces, 6 to 8 chopped green chilies, and also 1 medium size chopped onion, half cup of the oil. These are the ingredients. And also taking 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. Some toothpicks. Let's start to make the beef pocket. To make it, we are marinating the beef, so we are sprinkle the salt on it from the all side, and also we are sprinkle the red chili powder 1 tablespoon, half red chili powder and half black pepper we are using to marinate the beef. 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and 1 tablespoon of crushed black pepper, and also 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. Two tablespoons of white vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of chili sauce. We have made a small size of the cut on the beef, and now we are spreading all the spices on it with the hands. From all the sides we are spreading the spices on the beef from inside and outside. We are using the hands to marinate it. To marinate it nicely, we are using the hands. Now we are keeping the beef pocket for 1 hour for marination. This is the first step of the marination of the beef pocket. In the second step, we are preparing the filling of the beef pocket. So we have taken a pan and adding 2 tablespoons of the oil in it. After that, we are adding the small size beef. We are cooking it for some time. We have taken it in the small sizes. Now we are adding salt in it. Salt is according to taste. And also adding 1 tablespoon of crushed black pepper and 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes. Now we are mixing it and cooking it for some time. After this we are adding 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. After adding that, we will cook for some time. Now we are adding the chopped green chilies. These are 6 to 8 in number. Now we are adding the chopped onion and also adding the chopped tomato. After cook it for some time, we are adding the cheese in it and we will cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now we are turning off the flame. Filling is ready. In the third step, we will fill the filling in the pocket. In this way we are filling all the mixture inside the pocket. We have filled all the filling inside the pockets. Now we are closing its mouth. So we are using the toothpicks to close it. We have closed from all sides by using the toothpicks. Now we will cook it. So to cook the beef pocket, we are taking a pan and pouring 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil in it. After heating for some time the oil, we will put the beef pocket in it and we will cover it and will cook it on slow to medium flame. We will cook it from all the sides. It has cooked from all the sides. We have turned the side of the beef pocket. Now we are taking out in the serving plate. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Beef pocket is ready. We will cut it in the slices. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are cutting it in the slices. Very yummy, delicious beef pocket is ready. We have served it with the tomato ketchup and the lemon. You can serve it with the bun or chapati. Hope you will like this yummy recipe of the beef pocket. If you will like this recipe, please comment us. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, and also press the bell icon to get the notification of all new recipes. Keep watching and subscribe our channel to get more new recipes. Till then, Allah Hafiz.